care what they're doing. Is they gonna come in? Are they gonna go in?
Well, she might swim.
Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I like how they swim.
Was that a good swim? Come on. Coming? Is that a good shake? Or lose the other one. Yeah. Go in. You don't need to be between my legs wet.
Hey, girl. Hey, I pet her. Yay.
See? If you're just calm about it, they're good.
Yeah, I don't want to get wet.